Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 5 pieces that you need in your closet. Okay, first of all, I'm going to start with these boots. These are great little booties. These are Marc Fisher. If you are not familiar with Marc Fisher, I love his shoes. They're amazing. They have a little zipper, little pointy toe. Next, moving on, a camel coat. Everybody needs a camel coat. Now I have 2 to show you. This one is from Saks. This is actually a camel cape. And you can just wear it open. You can tie it. Camel is big. It's a staple. You need it every year. You need it in your closet. So camel cape. Then moving on to the camel coat. This coat actually came from Express. But let me tell you what I did. So it came from Express and the buttons were like gold and they said Express. And what I did was I bought new buttons and I had the new buttons put on. So that's a little trick. So if you like the coat but you don't like the buttons, who cares? Just go switch the buttons out. Again, nice camel. Wear it open or you can belt it. And anyways, I love my camel coats. Although I live in the desert, so I don't get to wear them that often. But when I do, if I ever go to Chicago, I take my camel coats with me. Then we've got nice little black purse with a gold chain on it. This is Rebecca Minkoff, and she's got great purses. Oh my gosh, they're all really well made, and they're pretty big inside. So it'll fit not only your phone, but you can put your wallet and everything else in there. So Rebecca Minkoff. Then we've got, moving on to this felt Bolero. I'm obsessed with this right now. Who What Wear had 4 recommended outfits from the movie A Star Is Born, and this hat was one of them. It's from Free People. It's like $58. It's the best deal in town, and I'm loving it right now. And finally, last but not least, is a pair of sunnies. These are Tom Ford, but they don't have to be Tom Ford. They could be from Forever 21. And if you want to get ready real fast, put a hat and glasses on and no one will know you have no makeup on. That's another tip and trick. And finally, I will end with something for the mind. Go see Star Is Born. Run, don't walk. It is amazing. I love it on so many levels. You have to see this movie. It gets thumbs up 1,000 times over from me. And actually everyone I know is talking about this movie. So go see Star Is Born. And last but not least, for the spirit, Jen Hatmaker. She's my girl. Love her. I saw her a week ago at the Moxie tour. Follow her. She has a podcast. My hero item of the day is actually my cuff. I love this cuff. This cuff is actually from BCBG, but you can get a cuff anywhere. They're just a big statement piece, and I love a good cuff. It really makes the outfit. I know Hermes makes an amazing one. That's on my wish list, but for now, I love my BCBG. And a side note, my shirt is also BCBG. So that's my hero item of the day. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.